In this video, we're going to have a look at how to find the length of the hypotenuse side of a right angled triangle using Pythagoras theory. Now, the rule we use when we use Pythagoras theory is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse side of the right angled triangle and a and b are the two smaller sides. In our example, we want to find the missing side. And we know the missing side is our hypotenuse side of the triangle because it is the side opposite the right angle. Now, because there's no label already on the hypotenuse side, we can go ahead and we can call that side C, because in a right angle triangle, when we're doing Pythagoras theory, the hypotenuse side is always side C. The other two sides I can go ahead and label A and B. I could have swapped them around and labelled 19.3 as B and 27.1 as A without any problems, because A and B can be used interchangeably. So now that I've labelled the three sides of my triangle, I can go ahead and start working out what C is equal to. And the first step is always write your formula. So A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now I need to go back to my diagram in the example to find out what is A and what is B. So A, according to my labeling, is 19.3 and B is 27.1. So now I want to rewrite my formula, but this time putting in the values of A and B from the original diagram. So that is going to be 19.3 squared plus 27.1 squared is equal to C squared. So working that out, that is going to be 19.3 squared, so 372.49 plus 27.1 squared, which is 734.41, is equal to C squared. So that is going to be 1106.9 is equal to C squared. Now, because I'm after what the length of C is, I need to square root both C squared and 1106.9. So the square root of 1106.9 is equal to the square root of C squared. So 33.27 is equal to C. So I know that the missing side of my triangle, the hypotenuse side, is equal to 33.27. And doing my common sense check, it is the longest side compared to 19.3 and 27.1. And the number appears reasonable. So I can accept 33.27 as my length of my hypotenuse, or the length of my missing side in the example.